I'm so sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're gonna be making mushroom Wellington. Let's get started. Starting off with the stove on medium, I have a little oil in a cast iron pan, and I loaded this bad boy up with chopped veggies, 2 bell peppers, half an onion, and 16 ounces of marinated mushrooms, 5 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna stir that all up in there. I put some Worcestershire sauce in there. Is that right? Worcestershire? Anyway, about a tablespoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce in there. I'm showing you guys how much liquid is in the pan. Now I'm gonna add 10 ounces of already shredded carrots to my mixture, stirring that on in there. And then I'll let this boil for about another 10 minutes before adding some tomato paste. After another 10 minutes, I wanted to remove any of the excess liquid that was in my mixture because you want your Wellington to be dry as possible. Turned off the stove, I'm adding 1 cup of black rice and 1 cup of cooked lentils. The rice is cooked as well. Salt, pepper, stirring that all together because again, you want it to be dry and of course, well, seasoned. Now I'm adding in my mixture from the cast iron skillet and I'm gonna stir that all in together. Adding garlic powder, onion powder, some more salt. I'm also adding 1/8 cup of flax meal. This is gonna be my egg. I didn't make it into a mixture because I want it to be as dry as possible. I gave it a little taste and I thought it needed a little zing. So here I am adding coconut aminos. You can also add soy sauce. Now it's time for the puff pastry. And yes, this is vegan. I'm gonna focus in on a minute on the ingredients. You can pause if you like. I'm unrolling it. This has been thawed for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm adding almond meal to help roll it out. You can use all-purpose flour. I just already had almond meal open, so I used it. Here I am, rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. All right, you get the gist. Can we cut this thing? Thanks. All right, now I'm gonna put it on parchment paper. I didn't use all the mixture, so I'm showing you guys right here. So I'm gonna form my mushroom loaf here. And then I should have rolled the pastry out a little thinner because now I'm trying to stretch it. Sorry, my arm is blocking it, guys. I'm so mad at myself. But as you can see, this flap should not be there. You want it to be an even cover. Maybe my stuffing was too much. Just a lot of reasons. I'm just not that perfect chef here, guys. But what I could have done is put another layer of puff pastry on top. I just didn't want it to be too bready. So I think I should have just rolled it out thinner in the first place. Now let's brush the crust with butter so it can come out golden brown. And then I'm gonna stick this whole thing in the oven for a very random 32 minutes at 375 degrees. And now we are out of the oven looking pretty edible. Now I had to wait about 10 minutes for it to cool before I cut it open because I did not want it to fall apart. So I didn't feel like making gravy. So I took the lazy route. I just used Gardeins little 2-packs that come in their turkey roast. So y'all don't judge me for that, okay? All right. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Don't fall apart. Okay. Hold on. Look at that. Oh my God, my baby. Oh. It's good. I would want some more salt on this. I didn't want to put rosemary and sage because I just feel like that would taste like dressing. I could be wrong. Several people put cranberry sauce on the top layer. I'm not a fan, but it has been done. So if you want to add a layer of cranberry sauce, it will give it a little kick. I would put it on the side just like dressing. Not my thing. Let me try it with the store-bought gravy real quick. I mean, it tastes store-bought, but it kicked it up a notch. Like, I mean, I like it. I don't have no taste tester coming up tonight, but this video is not gonna go up tonight, so we're gonna find somebody tomorrow, okay? Okay, sorry, I'm back. I cut it again, and I put the gravy on top, and this time I sprinkled rosemary and sage on it, so we can get a fake effect. Plus I want another piece because I'm a fluffy vegan. Period. It held up, like it sliced, like, look at that. Like I thought. Totally good with the rosemary and sage. Again, add it if you want. But it tastes like dressing now. I just feel like now I'm eating dressing with more bread around it. All right, I'm going for real now. As always, make sure you like, comment, and and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.